A humble beginning from a small retail store in 1999, selling wallpapers, flooring and glass films with little manpower. In 2000, we began the import of wallpapers from Taiwan and Italy. Our association with the world's largest wallpaper company, AS Creation, in 2003 set us apart. With the launch of Reflections, a runway hit with its trend-setting retro and contemporary designs. Our introduction of Korean wallpaper in India in 2005 was another revolutionary step in the Indian market. 2006 saw us participating in multiple exhibitions around the country. Introduced natural wall coverings like cork and mica in 2008. In 2009, expanded our distribution and trade network throughout the country. Introduced our state-of-the-art warehouse in Kolkata in 2010. In the next 2 years, we launched several international brands like Versace. Our designs were a tasteful mix of trends, patterns and colors. Introduced the first 3D wallpaper in 2013, Relevo in India. There was exponential rise in employee strength in 2015. Digital customized wallpaper was introduced through eco-friendly water-based green certified latex printing machine in 2018. The Excel app was launched in the same year. We also launched SBC flooring in 2019. 2020 was another landmark year for us with the launch of flooring under the name Floors. Warehousing began in Mumbai in 2021. Collaborated with leading logistic partners in 2022. Maintained maximum 24 hours TAT for air freight. Launched our first in-house design, Décor. Installed a whopping total of 5 million square feet of flooring. With over 2 decades of experience in the industry, we have over 5,000 designs in stock around the year. 10,000 plus wallpaper designs, 1 million customized design, 1 lakh plus square meters warehousing facilities, 2.5 million happy customers, 20 million customized wall murals, strong sales team, 7,000 plus dealers, 100 plus distributors across India. We are also launching furnishing in 2023. 25 glorious years of Excel through your support and trust. We hope to continue the silver run for many years to come.